How to disable cookies in Safari on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you how you can block your cookies in Safari. First things first, head over to settings and then scroll down to the bottom, go to apps and then search for Safari. Open it up and now scroll down and at the very bottom you'll find advanced. Tap on it and you can see block all cookies. Just tap on it to toggle it on and tap on block all, and that's it. Now you have disabled cookies in your Safari. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.